Yeah, dude, I'll feed you some, dude. No problem. No problem, dude. Alright, so we want to get this nice and thick. Everybody likes a thick sauce, so just gonna let that sit for a little while more. Our classic dumpling dipping sauce is ready here. This is like the classic vinegary style sauce. And this is more of our sweet sauce. Alright, dude, let's grab a plate, start plating this up. Continue to thicken the sauce. Now another thing people usually do is pan fry these, but I'm just gonna leave them like this. I like them soft, but sometimes they're good crispy. Alright. Here we go. Let's get a nice close-up shot on these. Get a nice steam shot there. Alright, dude. We'll get a nice cross-section on these. Hold on a second. Let me clear up some of this counter space. Alright, this sauce is still coming along pretty good. Probably gonna add a little more cornstarch. Go ahead and stir that in. Let's get a better view of this sauce. Here, I'll get you a nice view of the cross section too. Alright, there we go. We're cooking some dumplings, dude, and then I'm making some eel sauce here to dip the dumplings in, and then we got a nice classic vinegar sauce already made over here. Made that with some fresh ingredients, kind of. It's dirty because we've been cooking dumplings. Alright, dude, let's get a nice cross section on one of these. Alright, this sauce is almost done. Alright, let me grab a knife. Alright, you guys, get ready for the cross section. It's gonna be amazing. Alright, here we go, dude. Get a nice close up on that filling here. Nice and juicy. Smack it together there, dude. Got some nice dumplings here, you guys. Alright, I think this sauce is just about done. Oh yeah, this sauce is nice and thick. Oh yeah, this is a good eel sauce, you guys. Check out this. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, always good thick, you know? Alright, go ahead and take this off the heat. Alright. Let's bowl this up, you guys. I'm gonna get a nice little bowl full here. I'm probably gonna transfer this to a sauce bottle. That way I can sauce it on some stuff, you know? But yeah, here's our nice homemade eel sauce here. Love dipping this in dumplings. And then for you guys that just joined, here's our nice homemade vinegar sauce here. Very good for dumplings. But you know what? I almost forgot the main ingredient for these. This would have been terrible. Yeah, add a little bit of sugar. Alright, there we go. Alright, you guys, let's simulate some bites. I'm gonna make it seem like you're eating the food. It's gonna be awesome. Take a sip. Hold on, let me grab a drink really quick. Let me see what we got here. What do we got here? We got nothing. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna just take my glass here. Is everybody ready to take a drink with me, you guys? Who's got their drinks ready? Who's got their drinks ready, you guys? We got our nice drink here, dude. Gotta have some. Oh, gotta have some hard liquor with your dumpling, you know. All right, let's go ahead and do a pav. All right, let's try some of our eel sauce. Let's try some of our eel sauce. Mmm. Oh my god, dude, that eel sauce came out really good. You had some high distilled spiced rum here. Let's see your mouth chewing. Dude, this is a point of view channel, not a face reveal channel. Let's try another bite here. That was fucking amazing. Oh shit! I dropped that in the fucking sauce. You know what? I like extra sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, dude. Mmm. Whew. Alright, dude. Let's try one in the nice vinegar sauce here. You know what? Let's feed one to Vanity first. Vanity, open your mouth, dude. Open your mouth, Vanity. Take a shot of soy sauce. You know what? I'll fucking do it. I'm not a bitch. Hold on, let me take a shot of soy sauce. Alright, who thinks I won't do it? Who thinks I won't do it, you guys? Fucking take a nice shot of soy sauce. Oh, let me turn this around, dude. Let me turn this around. Alright, dude. I don't know how far down. I don't know how far down I am. We're gonna take a shot of soy sauce, you guys. Oh! Oh! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that was so salty. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God, dude. That was like the saltiest thing I've ever had, dude. Holy shit. I'll fucking take a dab of wasabi, dude. Fuck you guys. Alright, hold on. Let me refill my drink. Oh my God. Alright, which one of you told me to do the shot of soy sauce? I'm gonna have to ban you. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, dude, we got our tube of very high concentrated wasabi here. Let's go ahead and ooh, this smells spicy, dude. Dude, who got banned? Yo, Davin, did you ban Vanity? Oh, never mind. 57 messages were removed. You know what? I don't know if I want to do the wasabi shot, dude. This sounds dangerous. I accidentally had a big glob on a piece of sushi and I almost died. Oh shit, dude. Alright, I'll put some on a dumpling, dude. I'll put some on a dumpling. Hold on. Hold on, see if I can reverse the camera here. Oh, nice. I can reverse the camera. Alright. Alright, here we go, dude. Here we go. We're gonna do a big glob here. I mean, that's pretty big, right? Yeah, let's do a little bit more. Alright, you guys. Alright, dude, I'm probably gonna die after this, so let's get ready. Let's get ready, alright? Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Dude, that was not a good idea, dude. Oh my God, that was spicy. Oh, I can feel it in my nose. Oh, I can feel it in my nose. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my god, dude, you guys are killing me, bro. Oh. Dude, I'm getting fucking heartburn from all the rum, dude. You guys are giving me heartburn, bro. Oh. Oh, dude, I'm not gonna be able to drive to McDonald's now to get my chicken nuggets. Oh, you know what? Let's just finish these, dude. This is really good, dude. Like, this sauce is fucking banging. Mmm. Mmm. Woo! Good fucking sauce, dude. I don't even know if I've tried the other sauce yet. Yeah, all right, dude. I'll do a. Mmm. Let's do the other one. Oh. Yeah, dude. The PayPal link's not up, dude. All right, let's try the vinegar sauce here. All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a good classic sauce. You know what? It needs to be a little more spicy though. It's gonna add a little more sriracha in here. There we go. Yeah, dude, I made that